Watchibiem Samuel Kwaba do Badum TV Badwam so Jumade na shase 5:30 na yedonyo musai drew Kasie Breeze some no do so ne to dwa mu bi ya obeti ene Ministry of Health and National Health Authority mpanifo de kokobo ma hospital facilities no se wo munyai charges no a enimu se wo se wormo age ne de sansam no ebebane sam bi yarehosam ene de bro Adom TV Badwam Kasie wo share live our Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 na kwa adomonline.com semi ene nsama foforo bi ewo ho medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den sem ni chemo ankasa etie Asoye shopum din ensem so ene asoye a wonomo ehwensi achiba so mekire National Health Insurance Authority de kokoba mu odin ene ma apomodin atena ye ahodo no a eni hu kwan se wo moje obi sika wo no obi hu nso be wi akire wonomo je so wonche wo hu firi mu ntesa woni won e obi ka
Health insurance na nse bebree wo ho National Health Insurance baako na yakato aban twasika ni bi no akodi mienu na yententua nti obeti na si ntua yaka wo de wayi be kwani si ntua miensa yes tariffs ne kra no enye realistic tariffs na ebiem so eye co-payment de kai illegal payment a ko hospital wo card ne kwa si twiska nti yakokwa daroma yetimi asolve problems no and 9 year betu year no nyame daroma less than 1 year in 10 months ya solve miensa akaba akwa co-payment no eno so send executive CEO ne kai no edi nema gu akwan mu a eno so ye tackle eno no de metimi aka say hospital bia health center bia and a chip compound bia amoye sa no mesere won omunyai because we are coming after them.
Nina kahu ya yehwe there were audit clinical audit team a omko health facilities a omko hwe zani amani na minka asemba ko sometimes maybe you be focus on omoye ni amaye so health facilities be over we try for omoye juma pa ya since I'm taking over my two payako 11 regions are coming 5 regions na maybe the top the whole of that facilities need to be here now a few of them were almost yes clinical audit teams also yes my you say who you be this send America and branding be
Arahosam Kasie pa na siye wo Kumasi Santase Mpotemo ho wo China City Mall Kasie niema womu ni nyina hwedwere be ahia mabibia ba fom de course wo ho eni
fa tender no ba enye tanka no aka say the whole fa tender no nsuo ni wo baby nsuo wo phone compound eyi equipment column wo nti obedina na so o use na by 5 minutes 6 minutes so na asa eso sako nti yankai wo hydrant e wo sako main road so e na say unhia tender o connecting hoses no na o fighting
actually jani e shase from home na ena eba so around 3:30 na ejano enya bebu eni na na ashase ncho no ma eba enti u ben building na wo say enyoma ebo asin say bia cylinder bia na say bisa otimi say ebo pa but you try is ka you free offense fire service me institutions na wo me in charge of some you say omo na nko bebu a you friends so ampa omo de ose oyo omo timi buy in less than 20 minutes na be 4-5 10 days.
Investigations the investigations never my no ebe my hu anamuntu a yebetu a yede besiaro nti the ebe say ya direct the regional fire department say omunye investigations na yentimi investigation abekwa omugusu edumja no nti sise de ye pa say ye pese ye breja na say yedumja ne wi a investigations ne be che de see na afia hwe be
Yanto so na wenso adankura du ya police officer ahanie konongo agri junction ho so jana tomash no de ekoso wo ho yenima de ko ade jana baye de adehye ka eni anopai
Me sorry ya be no siata na me brabra. I no become say me free fie ho. Why na mo say ja to fie ho.
The obeti preoccupation will be free ho.
Aye.
Na de na ijana shase na sese.
Na sese ntibra me ti sie na madam me say ja na dare wo fie ho nyina. Ni ba bebre na ti ho. Yesu nyame adebo bia ho anka. Owura me ne ma de ni nyina, me ne ma de ba wiase a me nchance, me ntuma, me bibia me pa ho do me ni ofio ni nyina ho ni frigi ba me nsa ni nyina ahye.
Enriching post in Ibian Nutrition Coma, which they say a friend or Kobe, and so at in some say, and it's a manabonino in him.
Since the rooms no bed 10 at this moment. They are more occupied right now. Very safe for now. What is in there? In your show, a bit my family room, they down.
Na say odori kaka course no betimi aye electrical na say cylinder na
True fire for no 1 or 2 be mudum jano. Since most of the rooms near our cylinder, I think that's the main factor. My jano, yes.
My so na ministry one more producer price determination committee yes National Food Buffer Stock Company say the paddy rice no ye 5 Ghana cedi per kilo into the kokobo ma one eto no say ni hu kwan say ye to ebrosa je say the one makasa de abedwa so no emu nsem ni.
Different sectors of the country. There's the coastal, water and coastal belts. There's the Ashanti and middle belts. And then there's the northern enclave. All these belts have active farmers. So the plan is to make sure whatever intervention government is seeking to roll out targets these smallholder farmers or generally household farmers who are able to have the direct benefit of selling their produce. The construct before was we had prices for all these grains. We didn't have a price for paddy rice. Now the biggest threat is that in the Fumbisi and then the northern belts, farmers have produced a lot of rice and there's glut. These farmers are appealing or have appealed to government to come and mop up. On the basis of that cry, the minister asked the Producer Price Determination Committee of NAFCO to quickly assemble and determine the price for paddy rice. I'm happy to announce that following extensive deliberations by the committee has recommended paddy rice price per kilo at 5 cedis per kilo. What that means is that this would be a floor price to the farmer. That is to say that no aggregator, if he's working for NAFCO or for the government of Ghana, would be allowed to buy paddy rice below 5 cedis per kilo. These measures that we face today is a 60-year problem. The situation of glut just didn't start overnight. We need to tackle the bull by its horn and take proactive and progressive measures to address it permanently. Government has demonstrated commitment and will. If you add the second tranche so proposed, that brings it to 200 million cedis. We are very optimistic that as we mop up the excess grains on the market, government would commit more resources so that our farmers and their livelihoods can be sustained and improved. The ultimate goal is to be able to have at least more than 10% of our national.
Yet also the NDC Kedes, one more vice president, and also PSA. I can see so do be more so won't say Kowonchi na said no one Gina Homa party no and Kabomo any see no one more so a dear Jumane now watch that the ma can first lady Nana Kunido Ajama Rollins and or they say me too dry a money prince who says etwase
Amani boy me amede bra on medin e de prince owusu esiedu Adom News.
Facha yen papa yen kase ahodo mu no ye behwe na ye de abro na kane aban adwumayefo bi ene woyerenom na nei court ama won mu bill 950 million Ghana cedis e wo courts mienu bi e won kran ha ni nyina ne se wo mabo man yi eka.
Looking at the circumstances of the matter, and we are required to comply. She has extended the bill to my client in the sum of 100 million for her and in the sum of 50 million for the wife. It is now incumbent on us to organize ourselves and see how we can meet the bail conditions in the circumstances so they could come from home to face their trial anytime the court is ready. We are grateful that the court extended its magnanimity to us and granted us bail in that sum. It is, as I said, it is incumbent on us to see how we can put together our acts and meet the bail requirement. But we are grateful to the court that it did grant us bail. Well, I would not be able to preliminary comment on whether or not it's manifestly excessive or it is not. Until we are able to meet it or not able to meet it, then we will go back to the Honorable Court and then indicate whatever it is. But for now, bail has been granted. It is the conditions we are required to meet, and we would try to meet same to secure their temporary reprieve pending the trial.
Yenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de asie ye da semra ne adaje a wunya de ma yenti odaro ma fe ne ye to so biemu na ye de agodie mo nsam de obonkrata Adom online ne health tips no so to so nti odaro ma free he na ebra no so nso a phone lines ne bebie de atum na so do de aba na twemu nyinara one ya nti ye da mo ase papa ni ade rade ase ene 31st October nadom Mr. Yema Refino Fasidama no nonkoso anhwe so koso amo ho ban ti yeda na se team Badwam de intime fanase de nida wo hwanuma yede memma mo ano aha ahun se aseda no a ne de mo kesie yi daughters for onum bi say o kasa prekuwe kasa mai miremo o kasa mafuwe kasa mainyeyo kasa na wakuwa bitiyewo mami ntwaso na kwesi nimto kasa regina hadi a director kamini wiwi nti yede radio ase papa fe no odi afide na to ha yede radio ase yede news no akwa wie de edu so no sports oba the one krata Adom online some ahodo any health tips any yede twose ti be me na anopai memo achen
Efiam Joso
na bibia boko de
Yakopon Adom
yami ase papa
and now the last day of the 10th month of 2025 year next Yakopon year din year kakrakra yakoye ni mu anesa ye ba be October ye wie ne ne ewura the 11th month yakaba sabosumi mienu Yakopon Adom de atwa afi
odi ebetwa
megidi se nyame na kasa beje tata edi akọ bada bia mekasa ye me ni na eho so ye mo eho ba ye hwe apom de nso nsemi eyie ye nyi abufuo keten fiem na afa ankoto asem na ne so jani ase ya ne ehwe adam didi nkomo kakra bi
e nano be nye nwe ye o kan nano asache
me di nkomo kakra bi wo be ma camp no efie na abufuo firi ba bi na eba na abufuo bi firi fie
makachiro says the way ye de enye no akeke
eti yam country ho
sa
country ho to da bia yen try na emodin so ya na emodin utie na asem na but onipa ade abufuo ni call so no na ye ne e ma abufuo ye no so there's no justification for if you are not ko ye nipa no ni o ma abufuo ye no watimi agya no ofie ade abufuo na pia free edem honom then abontin so na akokoto ahye obisu because obuafu etim so ye manage saade ni ye wa ye manage ni ye pa na nhwe ye a ene se na akofa asemke seri aba be cheni se oba akrokọbọ so ne papa so soja pani pa che tu ye bibia akra to nchen ya aye opani ba kwa no sa akọbọ there's all there o asem no
ya kan yenka asemo abufuo wese ade
yaza uchensa wo de counterfeit akoto wia
abufuo say ade me ahso so obewie no wanu ho so na dia na anya asaye nti mo me yenye hwe huye abufuo na basa dia no wapie na waso ho so kaka no ode
omeso na yes every nyina afia betimi ade akire o
enokro
ye nyina betimi ade akire
kwasi me ya kan say week mu anasa last week no mu na ye kan ja hyehye wasem say ye ra epebi ma ha say ye ko aye ne ba ye ne ade no ti ebe week ye mu on say wada no ye ko hamatan ni mu sa ne de o say hwe na nwanwa say kwasi ye de ano kan ye no say week mu to so sa na minim say Ghana no ye ka asem bia say na tete ho the moment abeka no na to so sa
oh no because the season e wom no so you be ado need this season say chia you understand and appreciate say sabia e wom emfama no moye ha etiniema bi won mo ayemfa ho gya eni agro wodi kodi agro thinking say yela so to bremu so beto ababedum na obeye mistake
yesre ni die mu a yesre na abrewe die kure bo na no paya jese ni wiase oba ye nyina wanyini ni mfie ye otigwe bibia akọ yede nyame ase so obi amfiri mu die nanso aniam chesa asetan mu odin ti ade a wodi yes apẹ na don hwe ba ko ni nyina akọ no da baibiem na wo besanya yesre mo ni die mu aniam adi gya hyehye ba yentwe ho firi ho ye hu ade kure de bae enso be kumbe wramu ano ebia no mo pese ye bete ade a nanso be komu no bibi wo ho yesre mo me nyina ye hwe ho yie omotutu ye mfu bebre wanom bibi awie hye no fenso gu so dum
wanom jot asem na afie kan mo anom jot ni wi kwa mo nta anom no dwem mo am ta anom jot efa dwem no onam dwem na jot na no eti kakra ne ka no ayi no ade atwe se kwa me vre fa so adum se kwa me fa so adum
se ba bi ode tu no mpanwura mu
se obi kura be so jakura honom enye na sem de de nya so wanom awie eyi atwa
ya yensan kai ya se ye koda ye nunum gadget no ye nunum no obi so ne socket ayi be 1000 esi so one socket no ne ma hyehyehye wo be bre
frama kura ntimi mfam
ti frama mfamu nti wo bon se heat kakra bi next packet ti yesre mo ni dim yesre pa na eya se wo anwu wo de nyame adom ewu ama na do eprampo enso sia fa onsa ho kura no ete sei
e feje pade no kura pe kura eda form
eda form ti e besre mo ni dim a no asei ECG omu ni ye kura
mo ere mo no
ewia mu ho kana na kona ba se ya o boboja misi street light nyina
I'm just getting your communication.
Are you serious? Na me rap panti anajo no. Ma sorry na me hu say afi de light na yesebo. Say so want me sorry. Ugo mu edan efie ba ko na dan ba ko bi na light bi twem. Enye kura enye papa nso. To e de ECG fo. Sika ya
mo your communication.
Monya careful pa na musika mo die ne adwen ho ayente ase. Na sa nyina mo ho de no so yese ya. E ha adwen yesere mo ni die mo. Danya bete mfa ma yesa ye nkosere obi abibi obi amemre ye hweje se de kwasi twum de maye ya nti se kakra de ebenya no de support na mo nso mo ba be ha ya adwen na mo ba wie mo de mo kan ya na aban de mama mo kwan mo fa so mo nya no no yesere mo ni die mo 2 million na adani 10 million ye ntumi nya bi
ye ni bi
sika mo die no anya so adwuma na mo de maye no yesere mo pa yeseda ne yenka mo asem ko asem no kan ha kwasi o
they said the GPS not air tracking was said you okay ya dey monitor area
okay ya dey monitor area na chese
bebeka boy nya dey mo ye dey beka yesere mo say dey fear kan area mu na mo nhwe na sa presso and for the same makra chain
etimi di jashe kran so ba
send ma chain
because that time me say be a daytime bi na obi ani fia na oni e ma bi sisu fridge bi TV wo ba kona enpa wa fa masɛ no o ka akwaje no he o ka isa so bi ye obi say ECG for asɛ den katekwan nti ha dwen papa kasa no wa na oni pe oni mic nti obepɛ de wa
beko ha
na o mic ni
beko ha
na mic
beko ha
da bi na sa director ntime nyesa ntime be mo hoho ebe
no say your security yeah se bi kwa be jam che bi ni
Well, I'm a show, behind Badwam on Adom TV. Come back, I don't want to 6.3 FM. Yeah, it's and they feel that. I'm saying, who's a color party? Who's somewhere from one of them? We haven't done one. Everybody who color blue, the color blue, the color pink, the color. But I must say, a family of 6.
Yes,
is that correct?
50 Ghana.
50 Ghana. One banana. You know what I know doing best? And they say, enter the man by you. I feel like Casa Bibi will reduce, but and yet Casa. The man said, "Mene Samini."
Okay.
Better. The man said, "Mene Samini." You be di Jumaso Kobi.
Okay.
Na maybe unim say apart from gospel music, I mean I'm sure. Apart from gospel music, I mean I'm sure. No, me no ma bebre. Enti you can say you need Samini. Or name me better Sajumi. So be dowa.
On Chelsea. And you know, I'm try to run away.
They'll be see your door. On Chelsea, na come and mufita. Elsa. And if you miss out to her, if you miss out to her, honor, you may examine a lot of issues. Honor, intimacy.
I have a and I saw your bay film.
I don't want to have the quaggy. I can say for a radio.
Oh, yes, oh, my ready.
He's not me, yes.
I
don't know. Then
I'll borrow him. We almost have some
but when you see, I said, I can't say, I'm
Fabian. See how you have
to me jump walk.
Oh, did them.
Quite a fast of them. Right. Ochna color party no be. Sure. Yeah, depends. Yeah.